I'm at Cracker Boys Boat Works, Fort Pierce, Florida, and they are bragging about their new travel lift, 75 metric tons, which is just like their old one. But the thing about this new travel lift is that white piece sticking out in the front or on the right. The reason for that is that's an extended brace so they can pick up bigger trawlers. Used to be the cabin or the fly bridge might bump into that, so they had difficulty balancing the bigger trawlers. Also with sailboats, the standing rigging on the foresail or the back, I don't know sailboat terminology, but the standing rigging on the back of the mast. So now they can pick up bigger sailboats, bow into the lift instead of having to ask them to back into the lift. Backing into a trawler or a travel lift well is a little tricky when you've got a cross current here that you've got in the Taylor Creek. When Taylor Creek is running from the west to the east or from the left to the right, it's a little tricky trying to back a boat into the travel lift haul out well. So now with this new extended piece, the white piece, it's easier for you to bow the boat into the lift well, and then you don't have to worry about bumping into the frame. If you've got questions about this, ask Cracker Boys Fort Pierce or Captain Chris.